battery, you're going to go to this little door at the bottom of the camera. You're going to make sure that the contacts on the battery meet with the contacts inside the compartment. You'll push in and it will click. There's also the SD card slot. You're going to put the SD card in there and push down until it clicks. Then you can shut the door. You can turn on the camera by going to this switch and simply switching it to on. Then you can check your battery level by looking for this icon on your LCD screen. Now you're ready to take a picture. This is your shutter button. You're going to point the camera at what you want to take a picture of, press down halfway to focus, then press down all the way to take the picture. To see the photos you just took, you're going to find the play button on the back of the camera and press it. And then you can scroll between your pictures by going to the forward or back buttons on the circular dial. To change lenses, you will press this button while you twist with your other hand, and the lens will come off easily. Get the lens that you're changing it to, remove the cap, and then you're going to find this little dot, and you will find the same dot on the camera. You're going to marry those two dots, in other words, put them together, and twist until they click. When you're finished, you're going to remove the battery and the SD card. You go to the little door at the bottom of the camera, flip it open, press on the tab and the battery will pop out. Then press down on the card and the card will pop out. That easy. Now you're ready to put the camera back. Find the label, take the strap and wrap it up so it's behind the camera, and then put it in its spot. Put the battery on the correct charger and you're done.